Hi, welcome to the new Excel video. Today, we'll discuss a super useful Excel function, SUMIF. I've divided this video into 3 parts. The first part is about the definition or introduction of the SUMIF function. The second part covers the components of SUMIF. The third part demonstrates how to use SUMIF in Excel with a sample file. Let's start with our first part, which is the introduction of SUMIF. The SUMIF function is very helpful for analyzing data in Excel. Its premise is adding values based on specific conditions you set. And the best part? It's quite simple to use. Let's delve into it in more detail with the help of its components. Before that, a big appeal to all of you: if you like the video till here, please hit the like button. Now, let's understand the components of SUMIF, starting with the first one, range. Range, these are the cells we want to calculate against our conditions. The second component of SUMIF is criteria. Criteria, this component is where we set the condition, instructing Excel on which sales to add. Next, we'll look at a sample Excel file, where I'll demonstrate how to use SUMIF easily. Before jumping into the sample file, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you can catch our Excel videos first. We have 2 columns, one for products and the other for sales numbers. We aim to extract the sales number for product A without using a pivot table. That's where SUMIF will assist us. So, we'll locate the cell where we want product A's sales number. Then we'll type equal to, followed by SUMIF, open a bracket, and select the entire column of products till the end. After that, we'll add a comma and open the quotation mark type A, and then close the quotation mark, add a comma, and select the entire column of sales till the end. Press enter, and voila! We'll have calculated the sales number for product A without using a pivot table. Likewise, using the same method under the quotation mark with B or C, you can find the values for other products, as I've shown in this video. You'll find the link to the sample file in the description for your practice. See you in my next video. Bye for now.